Here we have a simple chat application. If I say hey, it pretty much will manage my Google Calendar as well as tasks, as well as emails. And we're going to utilize OpenAI's real-time API in order to set up voice for our chat application. Hey everyone. So today we're going to try out the OpenAI real-time console. This was released with OpenAI's real-time API. It just happened October 1st, 2024. Today is October 7th, 2024. Let's get started. Let's go ahead and download this. I've done it once, but I'm going to do it with you. Oh, well, I guess I did it 3 times now. Let's open this up. Here we are in Visual Studio Code. Let's go to the README. As normal, we're just going to install. We're going to install, start our server, and the application should be available at localhost 3000. So we will have to get our API keys. Obviously, we need a microphone, or you can just talk through your computer. We can choose between manual and VAD, which is voice activity detection. Finally, I know what that means. I kept seeing this word and I was like, what is that? Okay, voice activity detection. Awesome. There are 2 functions enabled, get weather and set memory. Interesting. You can ask the model to remember information for you and it will store it in a JSON blob on the left. You can freely interrupt the model at any time and push to start. I said push to start. What is that? And push to talk or VAD mode using a relay server. If you would like to build a more robust implementation and play around with the reference client using your own server, we have included a node.js relay server. Here we can just run npm run relay. Here is where the server will run from. We'll need to create a .env environment, our API key, relay server. You will need to start both your React app and relay server for .env changes. Okay, so it's not gonna run like node.mod. You'll have to actually stop and start it if we're gonna make changes in the .env environment. Okay, so the local server is loaded via the console page. Amazing. Here we have the real-time API reference, and then it shows us a bunch of the code. All right, let's get started. So I'm excited. Let me just pin that there, and let's begin. I'm going to install. Let's check out our .env environment. Clearly we don't have one, so let's create one. Now based on the README, we should have, let's see where this is supposed to be. Here we go. Let's grab that, put it in the README. At this point, I'm gonna go grab my API key. So I'll stop the video and start it once again.